Raw power is initialized. Molten steel is violently cast into a monolithic mold, establishing an unbreakable.
Extreme thermal and kinetic force are applied. Master riggers violently, aggressively forge the saw blade using
Thermodynamic hellfire is generated. The 70-ton V12 core is violently lowered into the fortified belly.
Lethal architecture is mated. Multi-ASO radar arrays and dynamic plasma welding violently aggressively secure the V3 modular chassis.
40 tons of crushing force architecture. The monolithic crushing claws are violently torque matrixed, engineering absolute environmental dominance.
Inside the control cell treasury, multi-axis automated matrix leader. Violently to violent clock for thousands of dynamic nodes. Engineering.
The edge of destruction. Automated augers violently aggressively spin the monolithic grinding vectors, confirming absolute precision overkill under fire.
Lethal integration matrix. Thousands of tons of kinetic crushing force and absolute rotational dominance are violently fused into the
Thermodynamic validation active. The monolithic Zeradixer is violently spin matrixed, engineering an unconditional field. The containment is breached. The 70-ton mechanical lumberjack rolls into the frozen abyss.
uncompromising heavy-duty traction. Monolithic claws violently shatter the forest floor, converting pure torque into an unstoppable forward vector. Lethal rotational geometry initialized. The catastrophic high-speed disc violently spools to the red line, engineering absolute, uncompromising cutting force.
The spearhead engages the adversary. Thousands of foot-pounds of torque violently obliterate the massive timber.
Inside the digital sanctuary, the warfighter orchestrates the harvest using uncompromising thermal optics, granting absolute vector supremacy over the forest.
Catastrophic grip applied. 40 tons of dynamic hydraulic crushing force violently clamp the severed mass, engineering an unbreakable mechanical bond.
Gravity is violently conquered. The 70-ton Predator rips the monolithic pillar into the sky, demonstrating absolute kinetic dominance.
The bunching matrix is executed. The Leviathan violently severs and accumulates multiple targets simultaneously. The payload is delivered. The multi-ton harvest is violently dropped to the earth, completing the catastrophic cycle of extraction.
Validation complete. The monolithic purging Leviathan, now battle-tested and environmental dominant, has... The nocturnal apocalypse is breached. The 70-ton Predator violently enters the inferno, deployed to...
Uncompromising thermal traction. Monolithic claws violently shatter the burning abyss, converting pure thermodynamic torque into forward rescue momentum.
Lethal rotational geometry meets hellfire. The catastrophic saw violently spools up, tearing the blazing biological blockade to shreds.
Catastrophic containment grip. 40 tons of dynamic hydraulic crushing force violently secure the blazing timber, refusing to let the inferno spread.
Inside the digital sanctuary, the warfighter orchestrates the purge using uncompromising thermal optics, rendering the catastrophic smokescreen irrelevant. Tactical nocturnal starvation. The blazing payload is violently ejected into the dead zone, engineering an uncompromising void that the fire cannot cross.
Dramatic defiance under fire. The V12 core violently inhales the apocalyptic ash, pushed to catastrophic limits to sustain the rescue vector.
A mobile fortress of salvation. The Leviathan violently carves a sterile sanctuary out of the catastrophic inferno.
Maximum kinetic authorization. Elite operators violently push the machine to the absolute red line, refusing to surrender the line to the firestorm.
The undisputed and disputed master of the forest. The monolithic Predator carves life from the ashes.
Even titans suffer trauma. After conquering the nocturnal inferno, the scarred Leviathan is violently dragged into the overhaul forge.
The scars of the absolute zero battlefield. Razor-sharp steel geometry violently replace shattered rocks and...
Amputating the weak. A blinding thermal inferno violently slices away the shattered geometry, purging the dead steel from the monolithic blade. A thermodynamic abrasive purge. Blinding industrial friction violently obliterates the scarred metal, preparing the invincible steel spine for rebirth. Forging the new bite. Uncompromising tungsten-carbide is violently hammered and fused into the core, engineering a fresh, catastrophic cutting matrix, restoring the kinetic embrace. Industrial abrasives violently smooth the catastrophic trauma from the 40-ton crushing claws. Wiring the kinetic arteries. High-pressure thermodynamic umbilical cords are violently locked in, engineering a unified, high-velocity fluid matrix. Uncompromising mechanical mating. Colossal hydraulic force violently tests the grip, confirming absolute, crushing dominance. Catastrophic rotational testing. The resurrected cutting core is violently spun to its limits, balancing pure mass with microscopic, uncompromising precision.
Exposing the thermodynamic core. A massive crane violently amputates the armored shell, revealing the exhausted 12 leading the toxic veins. The scorched, ash-filled fluid is violently purged, draining the thermonic trauma from the Leviathan's core. Restoring the mechanical lungs. Fossilized, soot-choked filtration matrices are violently amputated and replaced.
Sealing the vault. Brutal pneumatic force violently torques the geometry, executed by elite factory workers with uncompromising precision.
The thermodynamic core violently ignites. The zero-mile heart screams to life, ready to unleash absolute.
The final armor. The beast is violently smothered in a hypergloss industrial skin, erasing the trauma of the firestorm and sealing the raw steel.
The kinetic core is secured. Gargantuan steel locks violently seal the monolithic chest. The containment is breached. The heavy steel gates violently open, exposing the resurrected Leviathan. The cycle of heavy industry is eternal. Rebuilt from the raw steel up, the ultimate environment. A catastrophic meteorological failure. A Category 5 hurricane has violently flattened timber reserve. Uncompromising heavy-duty navigation. The forged claws violently crush the chaotic biological.
Lethal kinetic tension released. The razor-sharp matrix violently severs spring-loaded timber, absorbing catastrophic biological shockwaves.
Brute force extraction. 40 tons of dynamic crushing grip violently plunge into the chaotic matrix, ripping multiple shattered pillars from the grave.
Eradicating the foundation. Pure, uncompromising hydraulic range violently amputates the colossal root mass from the shattered earth.
Thermodynamic limits tested. The 12-liter core screams at the red line, violently battling the extreme deadweight of flooded, dense hardwood. Nocturnal atmospheric defiance. Blinding photons violently pierce the torrential downpour, engineering absolute visibility in the heart of the storm.
The Titan least violently extracted instructions. The devastation is conquered. The 70-ton mechanical predator tames the hurricane's wrath.
The abyss of the deep swamp. The 70-ton predator violently breaches the flooded wasteland, engineered to conquer the uncompromising liquid earth. Uncompromising heavy-duty buoyancy. The forged claws violently bite the submerged earth, fighting the catastrophic suction of the swamp. Lethal subaquatic geometry. The razor-sharp matrix violently severs the hidden biological anchors, absorbing catastrophic fluid resistance. Brute force aquatic extraction. 40 tons of dynamic crushing grip violently plunge into the flooded timber, securing the ancient monolith.
Inside the submerged sanctuary, the African-American female warfighter shrugs off the chaotic fluid assault.
Thermonic limits submerged. The 12-liter core screams at the red line, violently battling the extreme density of the flooded hardwood.
Nocturnal aquatic dominance. Blinding photons violently pierce the flooded darkness, engineering absolute visibility. The swamp is conquered. The 70-ton mechanical predator paves its own path over the abyss. Unbreakable. The Titan returns from the abyss. Entombed in the catastrophic muck of the deep swamp, the 70-ton predator.
A hypervelocity fluid purge. Elite factory workers violently obliterate the biological trauma using blinding, high-pressure.
Shedding the swamp's grip. Catastrophic fluid force violently peels away the decay, confirming the absolute structural integrity of the 40-ton crushing claws. Transfusing the rotational joints. High-pressure synthetic torque violently flushes the contaminated core, engineering a flawless, heavy-duty dynamic equilibrium.
Catastrophic operational validation. The monolithic spine violently executes the dynamic purge matrix, testing its heavy-duty brute. The
digital brain is calibrated. Mass tacticians violently root the thermodynamic core violently ignites. The 0 Mile heart screams to life, breathing clean and ready to unleash absolute torque.
The containment is breached. The heavy steel gates violent, exposing the reborn Leviathan to a